The recent 3-volume work, Cyprus, the Book of Maps, published by the Sylvia Ioannou Foundation and compiled by Ashley Bainton Williams, is a useful tool for identifying maps of Cyprus. Searching Cyprus Insula. Episode 3. Exact edition of a specific map. In the previous video, we used Cyprus, the Book of Maps, to help us trace a map based on the differences of the engraving between the two states or versions of Porkaki's map of Cyprus. Now we will use Cyprus, the Book of Maps, to identify a specific edition of the same map. As we saw, the first state can be found in 5 different editions of Tommaso Porkaki's L'isola più famosa del mondo, that appeared between 1572 and 1620. The maps are all identical. How can we date this map out of the 5 editions in which it is included? In order to identify the map correctly, we need to have the full page of the map and its text. The map is set within a page of the book, so our guide will be the page number, the heading of the page, the catchword at the bottom right of the text, and a characteristic that appears in the woodcut capital letter of the text. This table from Cyprus, the Book of Maps, will assist us. Here we see 2 examples of Porkaki's map. The first example has no page number, while the second is paginated 144. The heading of the first example has no decorative woodcut above it, while the second example has a woodcut design with a face at the center. The catchword of the first example is Antiki, while the catchword of the second example is Krypton. The text of the first example begins with the woodcut capital letter N. The second begins with the woodcut capital letter C. Based on these characteristics, we can now tell that the first example comes from the 1572 edition and the second from the 1590 edition of Porkaki's work.